Guess who's going to Paris? Me. I'm going to Paris. But there's a catch, obviously. So I'm going for a week, and this is all I'm bringing. One Visco Girl Kanken backpack. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. This is gonna be fun. This is absolutely nowhere. So it's the next day. We realized that it was not going to work with one backpack each. So now we all have one backpack each and a suitcase. What I'm doing is, so I took like a bunch of pictures of outfits, like such, you know? I'm trying to narrow down for each day which one would be the best. I'm not really good at that because I've been doing that for the past like 3 hours. This is my suitcase right here. This beautiful blue thing. But there is in Paris, a thrift store that I would really like to go to and buy way too much stuff. I'm gonna try to underpack so that I can buy a bunch of stuff there. I'm a shopaholic. Hi, my name is Caroline. I'm 16 and I'm addicted to shopping. Alright, let's do like a time lapse. I'm aware that there is a really big mess behind me. That's what this time lapse is for, so enjoy. I finished packing. Wow. I tried an eyeliner look. So I look a little crazy right now. I can't believe I finished. And I have extra space. You know I'm gonna hit that thrift store. Let's go to Paris. It's gonna be a bit of a shut up! It's gonna be a bit of a journey. We have to stop at a bunch of places, but yeah, we have an Airbnb booked, and tonight we're staying the night at our grandparents' house. I'm pretty sure I just saw some water fall from the roof.
Oh, nice. I think you're seeing things.
I think I'm seeing things. Packing the car right now. It's my favorite song. Working hard, or hardly working, am I right? I'm in the car. We have an hour-and-a-half drive. It's dark. Yeah. An hour-and-a-half drive. Well, now I look like Casper. Whatever. An hour-and-a-half drive from here to Hungary. And then we're gonna stay there at my grandparents' house. Let's go! Hi. So it's been a couple hours and I am at my grandparents' house right now. Good morning. I'm in the bathroom right now at my grandma's house, and she has all these little knickknacks. So I thought I'd give a knickknack tour. Knickknack number 1. This one's my favorite, so. Waiting for a taxi. We are in the taxi. Don't you wish you could? So we got to the Airbnb about maybe an hour ago. Yeah, but we ordered McDonald's and it's here. Lunch. It's 8:45. I just took a shower. I'm gonna go to bed because we have to wake up at like 4:30 in the morning. I'll see you tomorrow at 4:30 in the morning. Bye. Yeah. Good morning, USA. 35. On the plane. Should be in Paris within 2 hours. All right. We safely landed. We're not dead.
Even though we flew with Ryanair, it was pretty smooth landing.
Yeah.
So.
And also the landing was rough. I mean, it wasn't that bad. But it was like shaky. So we're on a bus to Paris now. See you in Paris. Oh wait, was I not recording? Okay, so we just got to the Airbnb. It's small, but it's really, really nice. Like, what is this? Oh, the toilet. I have my little toilet room. I will be spending some time in there. Here's the bathroom. I have a nice little sink and a tub, you know. Got a TV here. Here's the kitchen. Of course, they got espresso glasses. We got a couch, which is also a pull-out couch, and where I will be sleeping tonight. Yes. And then out here we have a terrace. Come on, I'll show you my terrace. Oh, this is giving me some Batman ideas. Stand right there. Don't do that. Don't do that. But oh yeah, and then there's this. There's this here. We have a little cactus, and yeah, we made it to Paris. So far, I've seen a lot of people eating baguettes. I'll see you in the next video. Yeah. Good though. All right. Bye.